9 plus 6 multiply by bracket open 5 plus 2 bracket closing square divide by 3 minus 4 multiply by 2 square divide by 5 minus 3. So 5 plus 2 gives us 7 squared divide by 3 minus 4 multiply by 2 square divide by 5 minus 3 will give us 2. Seven square is 49. 2 square will give us 4. So 9 plus 6 multiply by 49 divide by 3 minus 4 multiply by 4 divide by 2. So 6 multiplied by 49 will give us 294. 4 multiplied by 4 will give us 16. So we have 9 plus 294 divided by 3 minus 16 divided by 2. 294 divided by 3 will give us what? 98. 16 divided by 2 will give us what? 8. So we have 9 plus 98 minus 8. 9 plus 98 will give us 107 minus 8. 107 minus 8 will give us what? 99. So the correct answer is 99. Like the video if this helped you. Subscribe for more math success.